Hey guys, I've got something a little bit different for you today. We're travelling down south today for a few days, but let's get everything packed up and I'll explain a bit more on the way there. So we're about halfway now, or just over halfway point, and I've stopped in Toddington Services, I believe. So yeah, this video you've probably already know by now if you're watching this and you follow me on Instagram. We're going down to see Kelly Harris at KDS. Just want to say a quick thank you as well to Lake Country Manufacturing Power Tools for arranging this and organising this. So I'm going to be spending a few days down there with Kelly, doing a lot of work on this car. So hopefully you guys, you'll see, yeah, it's a black car and we're going to get a professional detailer. So for those of you who don't know who Kelly Harris is, then, well, where have you been really? Most detailers will have heard of him or will be aware of who he is. So he's a guy that way back before YouTube and Facebook and all of that, when it was just the forums, he was one of the ones you look forward to his posts. He knows his stuff. It's, yeah, it's amazing. So we're going to spend a few days down there. I also believe he's got a exclusive products coming from G-Technic. More on that in the future videos. Make sure you subscribe because there's going to be, like I said, a little series of videos on this and the trip down there. We're going to be, what else we're going to be doing? We're going to be talking about the Lake Country pads and polish machine, of course, the UDOS 5-in-1, which was on the channel a few months ago, nearly a year ago in fact. I'll put links out there. Actually it's up there. So I'll put a link to that for you. What else we're going to be doing? We may do a little bit of wet sanding. I'm not quite sure on that yet. We shall see. And what else? There's loads. Basically, we've got like 3 or 4 days. John Hole as well of Clean and Shiny. He's going to be joining us for a day and a half. I'm not quite sure. I think he's coming down tomorrow, Monday, and then spending the night over Monday. So he's probably going to join us Tuesday for a little bit before heading back home. So yeah, that's it then. I best crack on because I've still got a bit more driving to do, and we'll pick this up in another moment. That's my view, guys. That's yeah, looks like Gillingham or Gillingham. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I've always said Gillingham. My sat nav kept calling it Gillingham. But anyway, let me know in the comments below how you pronounce it. So it's 10 to 4. Just got here. It's Sunday for those watching in the future, which of course you are because I'm recording it now. But anyway, enough waffling. So it's 10 to 4. Formula 1 to look forward to, and then get some grub once the restaurant opens. Quickly go through the email then. I've just had one sent down from John. As I say, John from Clean and Shiny is going to be meeting us as well. He's just going to rock up tomorrow, and I think it's tomorrow, and then he's going to stay the night, and then he's going to be there Tuesday as well. So email, this just lets you know what videos to expect over the coming weeks from us. So we're going to break this up basically into a small series. So quickly, let's have a look. So of course, first video of this vlog, you're watching this, me telling you what we're doing while we're down here. We're going to be doing a wash process method, and this is going to be basically talking about the difference between a maintenance wash and a wash before you go ahead and do a correction. Of course, they are two totally different washers. A maintenance wash, well, we'll get into that in the video. So yeah, we're going to be doing the wash process method. After speaking to Kelly as well the other day, I think, if I get this right, I think even on maintenance washes, he doesn't use a pre-wash. So we might raise that with him. We're then going to be doing a new car inspection. You may have already seen that. I think we're going to do that on a Facebook Live. You've either seen it already and we did it, or if you've not seen it, we probably didn't do it. But I think we're going to do a Facebook Live, Kelly's first look. I know what marks are on the car. It's a new car inspection. It's 2 months old. And now we've travelled down here. It's on about 850 miles. It's been washed 2 or 3 times by someone who tries to look after cars. So it's near as damn it a new car inspection. We're going to do a full detailing video as well. We're going to be doing a lot of videos regarding polishing, and yeah, we may break, depends how bad that is, and also time is a factor as well. How many different kinds of detailing videos we're going to do there. We're going to do a pad talk with Kelly as well, so the UDOS range or the Lake Country pad range. There's a lot of different pads, a lot. And if anyone knows them, it's Kelly. So we're going to go through all of those. And we're also going to be talking about the UDOS. They've also got a very special car in at the moment as well. It turned up, I think, last week. So you'll see that in the next video. You may see it in the end of this vlog as well, because I'm going to carry this on. This is the end of today, but I'm going to carry this on after I've done this. There's a one-of-one car. So keep an eye out. As I say, you'll probably see this at the end of this vlog, so make sure you stick around to the end, and you'll definitely see it at some point in the other videos. So anyway, I'm going to call that a day on here for now. As I say, I just want to just chill out, watch a bit of telly, watch Formula 1 and get something to eat. So yeah, we'll pick this up in the morning. Morning then guys, I've been up a couple hours already, so make sure all my gear's ready. I've been down, had some breakfast already, showered, washed and all of that jazz. So yeah, let's make a move and head over to KDS. It's literally, I think, 3 minutes around the corner. So said meet Kelly there at 9, let's make a move. Right, so we're here then, just going to unload a few bits out the car, have a quick look around, meet some of the guys, see what they've got in, come up with a plan for the next few days. So yeah, I'll show you some footage of what's in here. Hopefully there's some nice cars, so let's go in and have a look.